So this is the comparison of XJ CDMJ 27 inches size and MSI MPG 21 URX URXW, because this is a white color. So 4th gen versus 3rd generation. I believe this is a Penta QD OLED, the 27, the small size. Now I know. The lip is more punchy, more crispier. Guys, I noticed when I compare this one, my XG27 UCDMG and Samsung Odyssey J8, they are almost identical. I think they are same panel, I'm not sure, because the white and the light is more white on the left compared to the Sturgeon. It is brighter, maybe 10% like that. Also, when I compare this one from Samsung Odyssey G8, G81 SF and URX, the same, I saw this one on the 27 inches size. Yeah. If it's better to compare this one, the XG and Samsung J8. I think they are identical. See, it's more brighter on the left. Bit lighter on the, a bit brighter on the left, guys. The 27 inch. When I compare also this one from Samsung Odyssey D1 SF, that's what I see in person also. They are the same. This is a console default HDR Peak 1000 and also HDR, both are HDR Peak 1000. It's brighter on the left. It's the left is comparable to my Samsung G8, the G81 SF 32 inches size. I think they are